Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the site, log in using your HubSpot account credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's tools and features. After logging in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with various options listed there. From this menu, click on Development. This section is specifically designed for users who need to integrate HubSpot with other applications or create custom solutions, which is exactly where API keys come into play. Once you're in the development section, you'll notice another menu on the left side of the screen. Look through these options and click on Keys. This is the area where HubSpot manages all your API keys and other authentication credentials, making it the central hub for any integrations you want to set up. Now, within the Keys section, you'll see an option labeled Developer API Key. Go ahead and click on this option. This takes you to the specific area where you can create and manage API keys that allow external applications to communicate with your HubSpot account securely. At this point, you'll see a button that says Create Key. Click on this button to generate a new API key for your account. HubSpot will process your request and create a unique key that you can use for various integrations and development purposes. This key acts as a secure access token that lets authorized applications interact with your HubSpot data. Once the key is generated, you'll see it displayed on your screen. Right next to the key, there's a copy button. Click on copy to copy the API key to your clipboard. This makes it easy to paste the key wherever you need it, whether that's in a third-party application, a development environment, or a configuration file. Make sure to store this key securely as it provides access to your HubSpot account data. And that's it. You've successfully generated and copied your API key in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.